Espresso machines are no longer just for cafes. They've become a must-have for coffee lovers seeking barista-quality drinks at home. As demand grows, modern models now combine power, precision, and smart features to deliver perfect espresso shots every time. In this guide, we reviewed the best espresso machines available today.
List number 1. Ninja Espresso Machine and Drip Coffee Maker. The Ninja Espresso and Coffee Barista system is the ultimate 2-in-1 solution for those who love both espresso and drip coffee. It delivers 19 bars of pressure, ensuring rich crema and bold flavor in every shot. What sets it apart is its dual functionality. Brew a single espresso shot, a cappuccino, or a full carafe of drip coffee using one sleek device. The machine comes with a built-in milk frother, perfect for crafting lattes and macchiatos. It's compatible with both Nespresso-style capsules and ground coffee, giving you full flexibility. The thermal flavor extraction technology optimizes temperature and flow for consistently balanced taste. The intuitive touch control panel makes drink selection simple, while the compact design fits perfectly on any countertop. It's also easy to clean, with a removable water reservoir and dishwasher-safe parts.
List number 2. GV Commercial Espresso and Coffee Makers. The GV Commercial Espresso machine bridges the gap between home and professional brewing. Designed for true coffee aficionados, it operates with a 20-bar Italian pump system, delivering optimal extraction and silky crema with every pull. Its dual temperature control system ensures stable heat for both coffee and milk frothing, a feature typically seen in higher-end commercial units. Equipped with a powerful steam wand, you can easily create microfoam for cappuccinos and lattes. The 1.5-liter detachable water tank and double temperature gauge allow you to monitor both boiler and steam pressure simultaneously. The build quality is outstanding, featuring a stainless steel body that's durable and visually appealing. Despite its commercial-grade performance, it's compact enough for home kitchens or small offices. GV's attention to detail, from the pressure gauge to precise temperature management, makes it ideal for users wanting a cafe-level experience at home.
List number 3. iLavi Espresso Machine 20 Bar. Compact yet powerful, the iLavi 20-bar espresso machine delivers impressive performance for its price. It features a 20-bar professional Italian pump that ensures maximum extraction for a rich and aromatic espresso. The thermoblock heating system provides fast heat up in under 30 seconds, letting you enjoy your morning shot without waiting. The machine includes a manual steam wand, allowing you to create creamy froth for lattes or cappuccinos. Its stainless steel exterior looks premium and is easy to clean, while the compact footprint fits small kitchens or office counters perfectly. What stands out is the dual temperature control system, which precisely manages water and steam temperatures for balanced taste. The removable 1-liter water tank and drip tray simplify refilling and cleaning. For beginners or anyone seeking a budget-friendly yet capable espresso machine, the iLavi 20-bar model offers exceptional value and reliable results.
List number 4. Breville Barista Touch Espresso. The Breville Barista Touch is a premium espresso machine that combines professional performance with smart automation. Featuring a 15-bar Italian pump, an integrated conical burr grinder, and a touchscreen interface, it brings cafe-level coffee to your kitchen. Its intuitive touchscreen lets you select from multiple coffee styles: espresso, latte, flat white, cappuccino, and more. You can customize grind size, temperature, and milk texture, then save your settings for future use. Its thermojet heating system reaches the optimal brewing temperature in just 3 seconds, while the automatic steam wand delivers perfect microfoam for latte art. Crafted from high-grade stainless steel, this machine exudes durability and luxury. Ideal for serious coffee enthusiasts, the Breville Barista Touch offers consistent quality and precise control over every aspect of brewing, all at the touch of a button.
List number 5. DeLonghi Stilosa Manual Espresso Machine. The DeLonghi Stilosa is an elegant, entry-level espresso machine perfect for beginners who want to explore espresso making without breaking the bank.
It offers 15 bars of pressure, ensuring smooth extraction and rich flavor from your favorite ground coffee. The machine features a manual milk frother, allowing you to create silky foam for cappuccinos and lattes. Its compact design and stainless steel accents blend beautifully into any modern kitchen. Despite its affordability, it provides impressive consistency. The easy-serve portafilter and removable water tank make operation and cleaning simple. While it lacks advanced features like temperature programming or a built-in grinder, it's an excellent starter machine that delivers authentic espresso flavor at home. Pros: affordable, easy to use, compact design. Cons: manual operation requires some practice.